Good sunny morning from behind the Margarettsville Fire Department's fire hall. Had my little comfy night with the garbage cans. Blue sky day coming. And gonna go check out hopefully where the water rushes in from the Bay of Fundy into a bay, to another bay. And apparently, if you catch them at the right time, fishing boats are struggling to get out. My phone is dead, so I'll have to drive and charge to figure out what the name of the place is. And as soon as I get a few bars of charge, I'll look for a cappuccino spot. Other than that, I'm all packed up, so let's hit the road. I did manage to find my bag for the mattress. It was in the bag for the chair. It got packed in there. I knew it was somewhere. Okay, I believe I take this road to get out of here. A chilly 12 degrees, but it should warm up pretty quick after I go check out the rushing water spot. Oh, I thought that chair was a horse. I'm gonna make my way to Truro, something like that. There is a bike shop there, Yamaha dealer, so with any luck, we'll try and get this chain issue figured out. Alright, let it warm up to 17 degrees, spent a little bit of time in the coffee shop. I've been on a cappuccino streak. So 20 kilometers to Cape Split. That is the little hike I'm gonna do to hopefully see some rushing waters. And then we have a couple hours drive to Truro and hopefully see a bike shop. Welcome to Cape Split. I'm just gonna change up and then hit the trail and hopefully see some spectacular water action. Here we are at Cape Split. The hike's longer than I thought. It's about 13K out and back. So I'll take the yellow trail out and come back on the blue, have a snack out on the point, and then make our way back. Danger. That guy's a fool. It's most likely because his head's not attached to his body. This is Lobster Hole Lookout. I neither see lobsters nor a hole. I made it to windy Cape Split. The actual trail wasn't that exciting, but the end is spectacular. Too bad I don't have superhuman leaps that I can make it to that rock over there. It's super windy here, but beautiful. Hard to tell which way the tide's going, and I don't see any boats. So across the bay is New Brunswick, which is the last of the maritime provinces that I'll hit. After leaving here, I'll head back along the coastline, cross over into PEI, and after PEI, that's where I'll end up, on that side of the bay down there, and then I'll work my way all around there. Alright, had a quick little snack, and it's 6 kilometers back to the parking lot. Okay, that was a long hike with a great view at the end. So I spoke to the motorcycle shop and they can look at my bike tomorrow morning. So it's 150K from here to there. It's early afternoon right now, so I'm just going to make my way to that area, find a place to hole up for the night, and then first thing in the morning, at least get a new chain, and hopefully that solves the problem. Just gave the chain a liberal amount of goo. I think it's okay, but it's hard to tell because I'm a gravel. I'll know in a few seconds. as we examine the, looks like the tide's coming in. It's higher than it was. Yeah, the chain's good for right now. And yeah, the tide's definitely coming in. Hear the chain scraping away. Anyway, we'll be back on the main road soon enough and make our way towards hopefully a fix. Okay, I'm 50k from Truro, and also Matt's house. I work with Matt, and he is transitioning out here to Nova Scotia. So I'm gonna crash on his lawn because he's got a house full of COVID. So I'll keep my distance. Just got some fuel for a comfortable 22 degrees. And between here and there, grab something to eat. This is Matt. I work with Matt and
hey Mitch,
and
Jana, and that's Charlie.
Jana and Charlie. That's COVID over there.
Yeah, it's COVID.
So I'm staying way over here.
Yeah.
It's a fake disease. Anyways, gonna have a rare beer that I have, and then we'll figure some stuff out. All right, due to the COVID house, I've decided to just set the tent up outside in the backyard. There's a bathroom just inside the garage that's apparently clean and they're not going to use, so I'm all set up there. That's too bad. I could have had a warm, nice bed upstairs. But with all those COVID balls floating around, probably best I maintain my distance. Matt's gracious enough to be making a barbecue just as the light's fading. So I've set myself up, gonna have some dinner, and then hang out and have some laughs. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.